I tell most people most of the CAD programs can just throw their animation stuff away because an engineer would never use it because it either blue screens my computer and I lose everything, or it's just you have to be some high-level TV producer to even understand how to do most of it. So the fact that you guys give that usability in terms of creating quick videos and explosions and things like that that can easily be handed to an operator, that alone I think just saves. So I mean, the design engineer has to do that anyway, right? And it's always good as a check for them to do it. So to have that, I think, in itself sells it. But just the fact that how difficult I know those tools are in the CAD programs.
Right. That's what we hear. Yeah. Like people will say like I had a tool that technically did this, but it was nearly impossible. So it's like just as there are technically, if you think about all the things we do, of course there's other softwares that you can edit photos in, but they're meant for just photo editing and it's like super specific. And then same with like, you can use CAD for these things, but does that make sense to like get CAD just for that purpose? So I think it's like kind of an all-in-one for this specific use case.